In this video I will show you how to use a VPN on any iPhone. So there is a lot of VPNs I used in the past. So we have Surfshark VPN and Pure VPN right here, and we have right here Proton VPN and Private VPN and NordVPN. And if you want to use them, you need to download them, which is click on my links in the description to have a massive discount on them, and then create account and click on them. Click on NordVPN, for example, and login, and after that he will show you all countries and the cities and the states as well. So for example, I will choose the Denmark right here really quick, and now I am connected to Denmark and I have a new IP address and a new location. And if I open Instagram from here really quick, he will show me the Denmark location. And if I open TikTok or Netflix or any app, I can have access to and in the block. And that's it. This is very simple tutorial to use VPN on any iPhone. And don't forget to click on my links in the description. And that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.